Hi everybody, in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can block spam calls on your iPhone 14 series device. So basically, the default means of the system does not provide you with such feature, but the Apple recommends that you just launch the App Store, download any app of your choice that provides you with the spam calls blocking feature. So me myself, I'm not really aware of what apps really able or capable of doing that. So I'll just open the App Store, enter block spam calls, and see what app has like the best rating as well as the most downloads. So let's just get the first one real quick. Let me enter my Apple ID password now. Alrighty. Now I gotta wait until the application gets downloaded and installed, which will of course not take a lot of time. Now I guess I need to open it, probably set it up a little. We'll get started. So from here you gotta, in order to activate its functional, you gotta launch the settings, then find the phone application over here, enter it, then go for the call blocking and identification section, which will be almost at the very bottom. And after that, the iOS will provide you with the list of apps that you have installed and that told it that they are able to block the spam calls and robotic calls and what's not. And just turn on the toggle for the app that you would like to use for this purpose. And just like so, you have successfully blocked the spam calls on your iPhone already. So that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.